So this is a follow-up video to the last video that we were talking about reverse engineering and trying to figure out how to connect these IN-14 modules up. I ended that video in saying that you'd probably have to restructure all these if you wanted to multiplex them, and was steering you toward a direct drive application. With the latches, I rethink that, having a moment this morning. Latches give you availability for controlling each module independently by strobing the enable line. So if you common up all the BCD lines, I'm thinking, daisy chain them, the DCBA lines, and then control the enables independently, you might be able to drive these in a multiplex configuration. So this is pretty much what we were talking about yesterday, but these modules do not have counting. Or no, yesterday, the last video. These modules don't have counters in them. So we have the decoders, display, and the latch. Okay, so if we come up to here, which is what we're dealing with, and you combine your DCBA lines independently but to each other, so these can now be all on a multiplex line, and then control your latch points independently, and then you can switch those to make the displays multiplex. So that was just a thought I had to clear up the last video with a partial untruth, I guess. So I was thinking about how to incorporate the National Semiconductor 53 series clock chip I like to play with in that. But it's CMOS, so you need a level shifter and stuff like that. So I will investigate that at some time in the future. But for now, multiplexing is not totally ruled out. And for you microcontroller guys, what is the fan out on a typical microcontroller? Because we could potentially be driving 4 or 6 TTL latches. So fan out's a thing that has to be thought of when running these things on a multiplex configuration, all your binary coded decimal lines. So if anybody has any comments on that, maybe you can leave something in the description, and we'll leave it here for now. These modules will be revisited in the future. Okay, so, but for now, have a good day, and talk soon.